everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 22nd to the 26th of February 2021 on Monday. Paulina receives a life-altering surprise and Lindiwe found out she was too quick to celebrate on Tuesday. Rifire is in a whirlwind over the mysterious Good Samaritan's deed, while Lindiwe is dealing with someone who seems to want her heart on Wednesday. Zolani and Lindiwe are terrified when their enemy seems to be on the verge of exposing their secret, and Rifire's blesser strikes again on Thursday. Lindiwe found herself crumbling to keep secret from her family once again. Cobra gets into trouble when his jealousy and greedy get the better of him on Friday. Lindiwe is ready to put the end to the madness in her life. Kabzela doesn't know how to keep his mouth shut, which could reveal the identity of the blesser. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.